Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Mexico in World of Warships. This Tier 6 American battleship is a formidable vessel, known for its impressive 12 350 6mm guns. To truly excel, you'll want to maintain a medium engagement range, typically between 10 and 15 kilometers, to maximize your accuracy and shell penetration. Remember to always angle your armor, presenting a narrow profile to incoming fire, which significantly reduces damage taken. The New Mexico's primary role is to deal massive damage. With 12 guns, you can unleash devastating broadsides, especially against unsuspecting cruisers. Always prioritize targets that present their full side to you, as this allows your armor-piercing shells to penetrate their citadels. For heavily angled battleships or distant destroyers, switch to high-explosive shells to start fires and inflict consistent damage. Coordinating fire with your team is crucial for securing quick eliminations. Defensive play is just as vital as offensive power. The New Mexico has decent armor, but it's not invincible. Always angle your ship, presenting either your bow or stern to the enemy to maximize your armor's effectiveness and bounce incoming shells. Never show your full broadside, as this exposes your vulnerable citadel. Utilize islands for cover, allowing you to push forward or disengage safely. Staying aware of the minimap helps you anticipate enemy pushes and position yourself advantageously. To further enhance your New Mexico, consider these essential upgrades and commander skills. For modules, main battery modification 1 improves your gun's survivability, while damage control system modification 1 reduces the duration of fires and floods. Concealment system modification 1 is also beneficial for reducing your detection range. For commander skills, expert marksman significantly boosts your turret traverse speed, and fire prevention reduces the chance of your ship catching fire, making you a tougher target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.